Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for experience as well as the work from home, the remote jobs and the work from office jobs. So before we start ahead, let me tell you that we are going to have a live webinar for you, and this is free for the people who are looking for the jobs in 2026. See, job market in 2026 is not the same market as it used to be prior to 3 to 5 years, right? There are a lot of changes that are happening in the job market, and accordingly, you need to upskill yourself. You need to make sure that you're putting those things in your resume to get the calls. You can let me know in the comment section of the video how many calls you got in this month of August 2026. And I'll tell you three important tips and tricks in this particular webinar, with the help of which, if you implement those things, you will definitely get a call. Which is why, if you see, yesterday also we uploaded one of the success story. Every Tuesday we are uploading success stories. So people are getting calls. It's not like the job market is dead. I can understand manual testing jobs are not there, but Playwright market is still open. Automation testing jobs are there, and you need to upskill yourself to the modern automation tools to get the jobs. So this is a free live webinar that we are having on 29th of August. It is Saturday, and it would be 11 a.m. onwards. Now, see, I can understand this weekend is a long weekend. You have Friday, Saturday, Sunday as a long weekend, but spending out 2 hours for your career is not a big deal. This is something that will definitely assist you as well as your career, and it would make you happy. It will make your family also happy if you get a job. So, do attend this webinar, and it is free of cost. Again, no charges at all. Okay, now let me tell you about the various job opportunities. Okay, so there is a requirement for hiring of a QA manager, and the location is Bangalore. They are looking for somebody who has 9 to 12 years of experience, and the package would be nearly 50 LP. So you can apply for this particular opportunity. It's especially for a person who can build and own UI and API automation frameworks, Selenium, Playwright plus Postman, rest assured, integrate automation into CI/CD pipelines, drive QA lifecycle, defect triaging, and release quality. Strong understanding is required, and they are looking for somebody who has got strong SQL and data validation skills, work closely with Agile product and engineering teams. So here is a link for the same. Okay. Then there is a requirement for senior estate engineer, and the location is Hyderabad. They are looking for test automation, CI/CD, regression testing, and there is also a requirement for performance test engineer QA, remote job, 8 to 10 years of experience required for Java, Selenium, JMeter, Jenkins. Then there's a requirement for Playwright QA engineer, banking. Exaver is a company, and location is Pune. Then there's a requirement for Airtel Payments Bank, and the requirement is for a QA engineer, 2 to 5 years of experience. And this is the email address. Okay, now these are the email addresses that we have got from the LinkedIn. Now, if those email addresses might not work, then you need to apply for the another opportunities, because what happens in most of the companies, they might close the acceptance of the emails for some period of time, as they might be getting a lot of emails for the QA openings. Then there is a requirement for QA automation engineer, and the name of the company is Oracle Fusion. Location is Gurgaon and Bangalore. Work mode is hybrid. Experience required is 6 to 7 years, and the job ID is 2643. So this is all what is they are looking for. Okay, strong hands-on experience in automation, end-to-end Oracle Fusion business processes, experience in functional integration, regression testing, hands-on experience with OpKey for Oracle Fusion test automation, then experience building and managing comprehensive regression test suites, right? So all of these things are required. Okay. So here is the email address, but you have to make sure that you mention job ID 2643 in the subject line. That is a must. Okay. Um, Then there is a requirement for SDIT, Playwright plus Selenium. India company is Deloitte, and the location is India. And the key skills that they are looking for is Playwright, Selenium, test automation, UI automation, API testing, automation frameworks, end-to-end testing, CI/CD, quality engineering, Agile. So all of these skills are required, and here is the link for the same, right? So this is officially posted on the Deloitte website. Okay, so it is posted on 23rd of August, yesterday itself, so you can apply. Okay, here is the link for the same. Okay. And then there's a requirement for test engineer in which 2+ years of experience is required, and they are looking for 2+ years of experience in software testing QA, experience with tools such as Jira, X-Ray, Zephyr. Browser stack would be a plus point. Good understanding of SDLC, STLC, and testing methodologies. Good experience with API testing using tools like Postman, Swagger. Good communication tools. Good communication skills are required. Immediate to 60 days. See, these days you will find companies also who are waiting for you for 45 days, for 60 days, and this is one of the company from them. Okay, so you have to mention the following in the email. Okay, now I'll share with you further requirements. Okay, so this is a requirement again for a QA manager. I think we discussed this. So they are looking for somebody who can lead quality, drive impact, and can build trust in every release. Industry that they are looking is for fintech. Role is people leader. Work model will be hybrid, and you should be able to work on an AI-driven next generation insurance tech product. Right. So these are the skill set that they are looking for. They are looking for somebody who can build and own UI plus API automation frameworks, Selenium or Playwright, integrate automation into CI/CD pipelines, own QA lifecycle, defect triaging, release quality. All of these things are required, right? So this is a very good opportunity for somebody who is in a senior role and who are looking for the opportunities. Yeah, yeah. So that's it for this video. Apart from this, let me again remind you that on this Saturday, we will be having a webinar, and I totally understand that it's a festival, but see, there's nothing more than your career, right? If you want to build a good career, this is the right time, because if you don't use AI, if you don't learn AI, then AI will not replace you, but a person, a professional who knows AI can easily replace you. So make sure you are learning AI, you are upskilling yourself to learn AI, and you are working on these things. Fine. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.